When it comes to advertisements, there's been great evolution of Johnson & Johnson's marketing plans when it comes to targeting their audiences. But the one thing that hasn't changed is this overwhelming desire to represent a baby and a mother bond, and the family bond that's created by the scent of baby lotion. I myself have experienced this similar feeling. I remember seeing Johnson & Johnson's advertisements before having children myself, and even before I had my own kids, getting this comfort feeling that comes from these advertisements, whether it be screens of advertisements or on display on TV. This continuing change of the bottle and the marketing, that has changed, but the aspect of trying to grasp this gentleness of babies and this lotion and the bonds that are created from this has not changed. It's been nice to see and research Johnson & Johnson and how they've been able to keep targeting markets, and obviously a mother market is the biggest one that they target, as those are usually the ones purchasing it for their babies or using it at the hospitals where they have their children. Many investments have been made to continue to capture the consumer's attention, and I believe that this should continue to always be a top priority for Johnson & Johnson, and always making sure to invest their time and effort and money into the advertisements of Johnson & Johnson's, whether that be social media, TV, printed advertisements. I believe it needs to continue to always be an evolution that we change with the world, and also with the movements. Obviously, our generation has changed. We use more technology-based advertisements, and I will see Johnson & Johnson continue to do that in the future.